Hello everyone. Today we have selected a very important question which is related to differentiation. A lot of students are facing problem in differentiation. So this diagram is provided which is not to scale, and the question says the diagram shows a sketch of graph y is equal to 4x cubed minus x4, and the graph crosses the x-axis at the origin O, and at the point A. The point B is the maximum point, so this is maximum point. Differentiate. So for A part we need to differentiate the given equation. So we know the differentiation, how we are doing, 4 constant as it is, and this power, like for example x cube, this power we will be pulling first, so 3, and then we'll be reducing this power by -1, so by 1, so this will be 3x raised to the power 2. So we can write 3 into x raised to the power 3 minus 1, which is 2. So I'm writing this. I have explained over here. Hopefully you understood how we are differentiating. Then differentiation of x raised to power 4 will be 4x cube. We are reducing power and pulling power first, so minus 4x cube. This will be the differentiation. So next step, we can just open the bracket, so it will be 12x square minus 4x cube, and answer will be here at the proper given location. And this is for 2 marks, simple straightforward question. And B part, they are saying find the coordinates of B. Now for coordinates of B is this point, so we know that this is maximum point which is given, so gradient at this point will be 0. You can see this is the gradient at point B, which is having 0, so 0 gradient. So we can calculate. We will be writing dy by dx, mean first order derivative we are putting equal to 0, and first order derivative we have already calculated in part A, so we'll use this derivative and we'll put equal to 0. So we can write 12x square minus 4x cube is equal to 0. Further we can simplify. We can take 4x common, so inside will be 3x. 4x square we can take common, so 3 minus this will be x square, and this will be equal to basically only x, because x cube is, this is x cube, x square is gone out, so 3 minus x is equal to 0. And we can simplify. This means what, 4x square is equal to 0, or 3 minus x is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 3. So this is x is equal to 0 is this point. We are looking for the point B, and we know that x value is not 0 at this B location. It is having some x value which we can figure out. X value will be at this point, so which is non-zero value, so we'll be taking x is equal to 3. So if we take x is equal to 3 and replace in the given equation, which is this one, so y is equal to 4 into 3 cube. I'm replacing in this equation, so minus x raised to 4, x means 3, so 3 raised to 4, and we can calculate. This will be 4 into 3 cube, and this will be minus this will be 3 raised to the power 4, and it's resulting to 27. So our coordinates will be 3 and 27, and this is a 3 mark question which we have done. Now for C part says find the gradient of the graph at point A. So at point A, where is A point? A point is this one. So we need the gradient, and if we roughly draw the gradient, will be like this one, and this is a negative gradient. So we will find the gradient. How we'll find the gradient? We will be we know that at A y value is 0, because a point is on x-axis, so we'll put y is equal to 0. And what is y? Y is this one. We have y, which is 4x cubed minus x4, so we'll put equal to 0. 4x cubed minus x4 is equal to 0, and we can take x cube as common, and inside will be 4 minus x is equal to 0. So this implies x is equal to 0, or 4 minus x, 4 minus x is equal to 0, and x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. Now we will figure out x is equal to 0 is origin, which is this one, which we don't want. We want x is equal to 4. The other option is x is equal to 4. So for a, x will be equal to 4. So we will find the gradient at x is equal to 4. Gradient mean we will find dy by dx. We know dy by dx is the gradient at x is equal to 4, and dy by dx we have already found, which is 12x square minus 4x cube. So we can write 12x mean 4 square minus 4 into 4 cube, and this one we can use calculator to find this. So 12 into 4 square and minus, this will be 4 into 4 cube and bracket close, and this is equal to minus 64. So minus 64 will be the gradient at this point, and this was a 3 marks question which we have done. Hopefully you understood this question. Differentiation, this was a little tricky but not very difficult. Total marks was 5, 6, 7, 8 marks. And 8 marks, you know, in IGCSE, GCSE exam, it's very important. 8 marks can change your grade. So you need to keep in mind that the first order derivative is giving us the gradient, and at that point, to find at that point, we are taking x value and we are finding the gradient at that point, so which we have done, which is minus 64. And you can see we identified that the gradient at a point is minus, so that we are getting also. So this is the type of logic check you need to do whenever you are finding the gradient, or whenever you are finding the answer. You need to check whether your answer is logical or not. Thank you very much for watching. Recommend this channel to your class fellows and introduce this channel to your respective teachers. Take care. Bye.